Well, that's not looking too healthy. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Vini, our 2004 Vivaro. Now, if I've done it right, the intro should show us what the problem is. And it's not a horrendous problem. It's making a bit of knocking, and the engine's, you can see it moves a little bit under load. So anyway, without further ado, we have got a replacement. This is the lower engine steady. They call it an engine mount, but it's the steady. I haven't taken out the bag yet because I need to take the old one off, make sure it's the right one, because it looks very similar to the top. Now, I think this may have been damaged when our bolt went, our top engine mount bolt, because everything sort of went down and there was a lot of weight on it then, and it was enough to make the exhaust knock. That's how I noticed it first. But anyway, what we need to do is get this up in the air and have a look. We have taken the under tray off. It's only a few 10mm headed bolts around the edge, and it clips in that back bit. So we should be able to just lift it up and have a look. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec when this is off the floor. Well, here's the lower steady, and that's looking weird. It's got rubber coming out of it. And if I just pull, sorry, that is just me more or less leaning on it. So yeah, I think that's got to come out. So it's just these two bolts here by the looks of things. Let's buzz that out and hope the engine doesn't tip too much. So this is a 21, and that's an 18mm sockets. So I'm going to use the old Big Bertha. So mind your ears. There we go. Ooh. Ah! Well, here they are together on the bench, and I can see what's happened now. Someone has tried to fill that with some sort of a silicone stuff. I don't think it's worked. It's pretty soft. Anyway, look. Anyway, that is the same. So let's throw this one on. Can't remember how much it was, but I got it from Autodoc. I'll put it on the screen now. But yeah, looks like it just goes straight back in. So let's do that. Right, let's put it back in. I've put some anti-seize on the bolts. So, in theory, if it's got to come out again, it shouldn't be a problem. Now I've got to take the weight of the engine here. Oh, that don't want to go in very well. That's better. Mind your ears. There, is that any better? Oh, that's better, isn't it? Lovely. That's the old one. New one's up underneath there. All we got to do is fit the under tray, which is just a few 10mm headed bolts just around. We'll do that in a sec. One thing I would say is make sure you're on good ground with axle stands. I've got 2 jacks, so I can do it nice and easy. They're quite heavy. You don't want them falling on you, and you want it nice and high if you've got one like that anyway. Yes. Oh, thank you for coming on another little Vinny journey. I hope it was of some use to you. Look us up on Instagram, Larcs_workshop, and I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers then. Lovely jubbly. Not sure if there's any bloopers or not, so this will be a really short one. Anyway, that's it. Hope this was. Hope the. Oh yeah, there will be bloopers, won't there? New one's in. I should be used to this by now. Another little Vinny journey. And that's it, isn't it? It is. I've said Larcs in School Workshop. Again, we got more bloopers than I should have for this length of video.